Alrighty, it's Michael Alder here with CarpetExpertBlueprint.com covering some more Q&A that just came in, which was how much to carpet a 12 by 12 room? And that was kind of a oddly specific question there. So we're going to do a bedroom here because if your living room's 12 by 12, that is one small room. So it's more of a standard bedroom here. So we got the closet. Here's the entryway here. 12 by 12. Just to keep math real simple, we're not going to add anything to the 12 by 12 dimension here. So we're just going to do a 12 by 12 for the carpet. Now that converts over to 16 square yards. Now at 16 square yards, if you wanted to get this done really cheap and everything was empty and ready to go in this particular room, you could get some cheap carpet with pad and installation at $13 a yard for $208 to get that installed in there. And that's on the cheap, like a cheap plush carpet. Actually, I got a little, show you what that cheap is. You see that cheap plush there? Oh yeah, that's what you would get with some pad and installation, $208. Now, if you want to step it up into a mid-grade product, that's going to run you about $288. So you figure, under $300, you could actually get something decent installed into a room like this, carpet padding and installation. Now, let's say you had carpet down and you wanted the installer to remove that. So removal, at least in my marketplace, we get $2 a yard for that. That's kind of the going rate. So an additional $32, they will tear out your old carpet and typically haul it for you as well. It may change a little bit depending upon where you're based. And let's say you had a bed in here, you got a dresser over here, and you said, I don't even want to move the furniture. Will you move all the furniture out? Well, furniture, same thing. You're typically getting, I'm not even spelling. That's awesome. That's how you know I'm a carpet guy. All right, furniture. Typically, you're getting $2 a yard for that as well. So another $32 for that. So the whole package there could be $208 or $288 plus an additional $64 in odd labor type stuff. So this is just a quick overview. Someone reached out, wanted to know how much to carpet a 12 by 12. We're doing the video for you. So if you have questions about the flooring industry, go ahead and comment below. We'll create a video just for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.